Hey guys, I picked up this Roland TD11 kit recently, and to my surprise, the hi-hat wasn't working. So I had no option but to figure out what to do now, get it working or get a replacement. And as I searched online, I stumbled on a lot of folks who have tried two approaches. One, putting the rubber actuator in hot water, and the second method was cutting some relief in the actuator so it can flex more easily. I was skeptical of what you see online, so I went ahead and picked up a actuator replacement from Amazon. That takes a couple of days to weeks. So just out of curiosity, I thought, let's give this a go. This is the second time I'm opening it, because I first thought it might be some electronics that had gone loose, like the input jack maybe had lost some solder. That wasn't the case, but this pedal was filthy. The process is pretty simple. All I'm doing is putting it in warm water, not boiling water. So here you can see me just mixing water to a temperature where I can basically touch it without getting burnt. And then I kept the actuator there for about 3 minutes. I did slowly pour out a little water and keep adding the boiling water, so I kind of brought it gradually up, and this entire process took less than 3 minutes. And as you can see, this is now very flexible. I wasn't going to take a chance and put it back in without making those grooves, because I feel it might go back to its stiff state at some point soon. That's at least what other people have reported. So here's me cutting the notches. And then we just reassemble it. And that's basically it. Now the pedal works perfectly. Let's see how long it lasts. I've got the rubber replacement in the mail, so at some point I will replace it with a new actuator. Hope you found this helpful. See you on my next update. Bye.